Good day to my lecturer and my friends. We are from Group 2 and are going to present our Numerical Programming Lab 4 project. My name is Dong Kim Liao. My metric number is AE230070. I'm going to explain about the manual calculation part. Firstly, we let A equals to 10 ampere, B equals to 20 volt, and R equals to 30 ohm. Then at node V1, we write down the KCL. And after we solve the KCL, we will get this final equation. At node V2 and V3, we apply super node and we generate the support equation. And we solve the support equation, we will get the final equation. After that, at node V2 and V3, we write down the KCL and we solve the equation. Next, since V4 is equal to 20 volt, we substitute V4 equals to 20 volt into these three equations. And we will get our metric equation in this form. After that, we solve our metric equation by using Cramer rules. And we will get our V1, V2, V3, and V4. After that, we will set another two different set of values and calculate it again to make sure the GUI will run the same result as Simulink, no matter what value we have set. The manual calculation method is same as the previous part, and we will get our V1, V2, V3 as like this for the second values. And we will do the same thing on the third values. And we will get the V1, V2, and V3 like this.
Hello everyone, my name is Seiyong Kai. My matrix number is AE230076. Now I will use MATLAB GUI to solve the circuit. First, I will tap the GUI. Then I will put the panel. Then I will edit the panel. This panel I will put output, input. And then I will put static text. And then I will put the edit text. And then I will push the push button. Name it as calculate. And then I will put another panel. Then this panel name it as input output. And then I will put a static text. Then I will put another edit text. And then I will edit this static text as a current. And then I will edit this static text as a voltage. And then this is resistor. And then this one output is V1. V1 is V2. This one is V3. This one is V4. And then I will run it and set it as this as a part. That before. Then the code will come out. This one is the code of M file. And then I will add the code. I will copy the figure code, which is this one. It's the figure code. Then I will paste here. And then make sure this one is the name of the picture, the code of the picture. And then find the push button one. And then the below, I will paste this code. This code is from the manual calculation, and then when we run this code, and we will get the figure is this, and this one is the figure.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Zuhimi bin Muhammad Radi. So today I want to testing for our GUI code for numerical programming. So this is our GUI code, and we run it. And we got this figure. So we want to test our value for input. A current is 10, voltage is 20, and resistance is 30. So we calculate it, and we got our output for V1 is 53.57 volt, V2 is 22.56 volt, V3 is 1.37 volt, and V4 is 20 volt. So our output volt is same as our manual calculation. So it is right answer. So for our next value, for current is 5, for voltage is 50, and resistance is 20. So we calculate it, and we got our output for V1 is 27.24 volt, V2 is 12.11 volt, V3 is 5.99 volt, and V4 is 50 volt. So this output also same as our manual calculation. So this is the right answer. And the last one for our input is 4, voltage is 8, and resistance is 12. So we calculate it, and we got our output for V1 is 20.05 volt, V2 is 10.08 volt, V3 is 0.04 volt, and V4 is 8 volt. So all this output is same as our manual calculation, and this code for GUI is right and working. So that's all. Thank you.
And today I'm going to present about how I use the Simulink to build up this circuit. Now I will start to use the Simulink from the MATLAB to construct this circuit in this software. This is a circuit I simulate using the MATLAB. For these functions, is used for if we put here, MATLAB is not like Proteus for SAP. It need this, although we already simulate the complete circuit, but we cannot run the value in the MATLAB because MATLAB needed soft configurations to help him to solve this circuit. Is needed for this simulate this circuit for all the simulation for the circuit. In MATLAB, this is a current control voltage look like. This is a resistor look like in the MATLAB. This is the voltage sensor look in the MATLAB. This is display, and we need to put a PS Simulink converter to connect to the display so that it will display the values when running out the circuits. And this is a circuit look like. And if we want to change this value, we have to double click and key in the value, the desired value we want to test it out in these circuits. And this is a ground for these circuits. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to my lecturer. My name is Muhammad Zakwan Haikal bin Ibrahim. My metric number AA230004. So I am from group 2. So today I would like to testing about our Simulink. So for this circuit, for A 10 ampere, V 20 volt, R 30 ohm. So after I run the volt 1, I get 53.57, and V2 I get 22.56, V3 11.37, and the last one before 20 volt. So this is exactly what we got in the manual calculation. So move to the next circuit. For the A, 4 ampere, V 8 volt, and R 20 ohm. So after I run this circuit, for the loop 1 I get 20.05, and loop 2 10.808, and for this loop I get 0.04032, and last one we got 8. So this is also exactly what we got in our manual calculation. For the last circuit, let A equal to 5 ampere, V equal to 15 volt, R equal to 20 ohm. So for the circuit after run, we got the for the volt 27.24, and this one the 12.11, and for this one 5.99, and the last one 15. So this is also what we get in our manual calculation. So that's all from me. Thank you.